तो स्कूल में क्या होता है, हमको डिसिप्लिन सिखाया जाता है, रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन सिखाए जाते हैं। दे टीच अस डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स, हाउ टू कंट्रोल योर लाइफ, हाउ टू मैनेज योर मनी। ये नहीं सिखाया जाता है। आपको ये सारी चीजें खुद समझनी पड़ेंगी। व्हाट इज द बजट, यू नीड टू नो योर बजट। व्हाट इज द फैमिली कवर यू शुड हैव, हाउ टू इन्वेस्ट योर मनी, हाउ टू क्रिएट अ पैसिव इनकम, लर्न अबाउट एसेट एलोकेशन, हाउ यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इनटू डिफरेंट एसेट्स। देयर इज इक्विटी, देयर इज डेट, देयर इज गोल्ड। स्कूल ने हमें ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला तो सिखाया, बट ये नहीं बताया कि इनकम माइनस एक्सपेंस इज इक्वल टू ब्रोक लाइफ। स्कूल टीचेस अस हाउ टू अर्न मनी, but they have never taught us how to manage money, and that is one of the biggest reasons many people are stressed at the time of managing their money. Friends, welcome back to our channel Greenmint FinServ, जहां हम बात करते हैं पैसों के बारे में और prosperity के बारे में। And today we are going to talk about a very important topic: why school never teach us about money and how it keep us poor, how we are not able to take a financially good decisions. So friends, सबसे पहले समझते हैं कि truth behind the system. So school में क्या होता है, हमको discipline सिखाया जाता है, rules and regulations सिखाए जाते हैं, दे टीच अस डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स। ये सब हमको पढ़ाया जाता है, एक टाइमिंग्स सिखाई जाती है, एक प्रॉपर रूटीन को फॉलो करते हैं, डिफरेंट टाइम टेबल्स को फॉलो करते हैं। एंड बट द इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट्स विच आर क्रूशल इन अवर लाइफ गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, लाइक हाउ टू मैनेज अवर मनी, बजटिंग, टैक्सेशन, इन्फ्लेशन, इन्वेस्टिंग, इस सब का क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा, इस सब को कैसे सीखना चाहिए, कैसे समझना चाहिए, हाउ टू कंट्रोल योर लाइफ, हाउ टू मैनेज योर मनी, ये नहीं सिखाया जाता है। एंड दैट इज वन ऑफ द कोर रीजन लोग स्ट्रेस्ड होते हैं जब उनको अपना पैसा मैनेज करना होता है, एंड दे हैव टू टेक एनी फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन एंड दे आर नॉट सो कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट द मनी एंड हाउ टू मैनेज दैट मनी। सो व्हाई वी ग्रो फाइनेंशियली क्लूलेस, ऐसा होता क्यों है? सो वी रफली स्पेंड 12 to 15 years in school time, but they never teaches us the impact of inflation, what will be the impact of tax, what is credit score, a bad credit score can affect over a period of time for taking loans, what is exactly insurance. So they never teaches us about these. What is budgeting, one of the most important thing in our life. All these things are never taught, and because all these things are never taught in the school, what is the price that we pay? So the price that we all pay is we take many a times wrong loans, a higher interest rate loans, we never budget, we don't have an emergency fund, we don't know how to manage our money, what is the rule of 50-30-20, what are our needs, how much insurance cover should we have. So these are the price that we pay because we don't know, we are not made aware about this, we are not educated at the time of our schools and colleges. So the teaching that we get in school and college is totally different, but once we reach to a practical life, when we start earning money, at that time the situation is totally different. So what is the new school? The new school is you have to be self educated. आपको ये सारी चीजें खुद समझनी पड़ेंगी। What is the budget? You need to know your budget. How much is your income? How much is your expenses? You have to create a proper budget for that. Where you need to invest your money, where the money should be spent, that is very important. You have to learn that. You have to learn how much emergency fund is important, how much time period of emergency fund you should have, what is the exact term cover or what is the exact insurance cover you should have, what is health insurance, what is the family cover you should have, how to invest your money, how to create a passive income, what is financial independence, what is financial freedom. You have to learn all these things on your own. You can take help of a mentor, you can take help of a coach, but all these things are very important in real life. That gives you confidence over a period of time. So you need to learn all these things. But then how can we start today, or how can we get educated today? So you can initially start with very few basic steps. Start investing 5 to 10%, 15% of your income as soon as you start working. Start with any amount that you feel comfortable. Once you get convenient, once you get comfortable with that amount, start increasing your amount. Build an emergency fund of at least 3 months up to 9 months, whichever amount gives you some comfort and confidence. Have a proper term cover, have a proper health insurance cover. At least in today's scenario, 10 lakhs is a bare minimum health cover which one should have. How to invest your money, educate yourself, upskill yourself, learn different techniques of managing money, learn about asset allocation, how you can invest into different assets. There is equity, there is debt, there is gold. So have a proper asset allocation, know your risk appetite, write down your financial goals, and then invest as per your financial goals. So that's how you can start. You can take help of a coach, you can take guidance from a mentor or an advisor who can help you and guide you how you can strategize your whole investments from a long term perspective. And one of the key things that is most important and which is required to create wealth is you have to be consistent and you have to be disciplined over a longer period of time. So for all these things, you don't blame that you have not been taught in school or in college. So if they have not taught you, that is perfectly fine. But even if you're not learning today, I meet a lot of people, they see that we don't have that much of a knowledge, we don't have that much of an expertise, so we don't want to invest at all, or we don't want to take risk at all, and we just want to invest our money into the safest instruments. If you're not understanding finance today, if you're not taking financial education today, then this is your problem, then this is your mistake. Because today financial education is not optional. In school it was optional, but now it is very, very, very mandatory in your life to be confident for your future, for your financial goals, for your needs, to enjoy over a period of time. So this is a very important topic, this is a very important thing which you need to learn. Whichever way you learn, that you have to see, and please create a roadmap for your financial future. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो please do like the video and do subscribe our channel for more updates. So friends, मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, learn and educate yourself and invest wisely. Thank you.